Hey, what's up? This is Mikey at Blue Monkey Bicycles, and in this video we're going to review the YDX Torque from Yamaha Power Assist Bicycles. The YDX Torque is an awesome electric mountain bike from Yamaha. And how would I know? Because I got to ride one on dirt trails, rocky slopes, and even on the road. The YDX Torque is a perfectly capable electric mountain bike with tuned features that keep the cost very competitive. It's a hardtail, meaning that it has a front suspension but not a rear suspension. The bike sports hydraulic disc brakes for a very effective stopping power and an 11-speed Shimano SLX rear derailleur. The YDX Torque is rocking a standard 500 watt-hour battery as well as the smaller size, more torque PWX motor that is new for this model year. If you want to check out some more details, you can click on this little white pop-up right there. I made an entire video on only the PWX motor. The cadence and torque sensors are housed inside of the motor, while the bicycle frame and the rear hub are keyed to seamlessly integrate a speed sensor into the back wheel. Having all of this at the ready means that the Yamaha PWX system on this bike in particular is ready pretty much on an instant. The 27.5 size tires are great, and the conventional width means that you have a world of options if you want to get another tread pattern in the future. The handlebars are wide enough to offer really good control, and the whole experience of the motor system and the mechanical system feels absolutely seamless. If you're like me, you want an electric mountain bike to help you up the trails to boost you into a sport that otherwise seems inaccessible. The YDX Torque is perfect for this goal, and for a competitive $34.99. The weight and balance are amazing, something a hub drive bike simply cannot match. The tuning and power delivery of the motor is exactly what you want it to be, predictable and reliable. Right now, Yamaha's got the YDX Torque and 3 other road bikes, the CrossCore, the CrossConnect, and the Urban Rush. For more details on that, you can go to yamahabicycles.com, or for more reviews on those and other bikes, you can check out bluemonkeybicycles.com. I'm Mikey, and I will see you on the later.